When cleanliness means everything, the right products matter. You may think all microfiber cleaning products are created equal. They are not. Quality, performance, and durability varies greatly. UMF is the only company that designs and produces high-performance, hospital-grade biocomponent microfiber yarns and converts these yarns into finished products. These clinically acceptable products cover all markets including hospitals, major hotel brands, universities, and meets the new USP 797 criteria for compounding pharmacies. What makes PerfectCLEAN microfiber so different? It's innovation and many firsts. First to develop a hook-and-loop microfiber flat mop. First to exceed CDC commercial laundry guidelines for bloodborne pathogens. First true color-coded system. First one-per-room methodology to reduce room-to-room cross-contamination. First and only lifetime hardware warranty. First products covered by multiple patents. First rechargeable antimicrobial product protection. Train and support infection prevention programs, hygiene and housekeeping, customizable to each specific customer's preferences. Unrivaled product performance achieved through independent lab testing and in-service validation by customers across all markets, proving PerfectCLEAN removes everything from a surface including bacteria, viruses, and endotoxins. UMF delivers customer-centric product solutions for any challenge. The orange mitt, for washrooms only, eliminates C. diff and neurovirus cross-contamination risks from toilets. The patented PerfectCLEAN paddle developed for Marriott cleans those difficult-to-reach spots on gliding glass shower doors. The SDX bucketless mop system is reliable, durable, light, and easy to use. Anything bleach can do, Klorese can do better. Klorese uses the same active ingredient our immune system uses to fight infections. Klorese is an enterprise-wide solution for nursing, healthcare, hospitality, cruise lines, education, and pharmaceutical. Klorese achieves an EPA trifecta, the EPA N list for COVID, the EPA K list for C. diff spores, and also a unique EPA-registered claim against biofilm. Klorese is a safer, more effective alternative to bleach, quats, and any other disinfectant. Add one 13.1 gram tablet to a pre-measured quart bottle. One plop and a fizz and you're done. A Klorese tablet quickly dissolves in water. Klorese is the ideal cleaner disinfectant. Klorese breaks down all types of organic matter and oils. Klorese also breaks down and eliminates biofilm. Klorese kills a wide range of bacteria and fungi, including Candida species, and inactivates viruses such as SARS-CoV-2, which causes COVID-19, H1N1 flu, and human norovirus. Klorese is also effective against C. diff endospores and MRSA, which are responsible for a significant number of preventable hospital-associated infections. Unlike other cleaning and disinfectant products, Klorese eliminates biofilm. Klorese has a small footprint and long shelf life. One pail makes 256 quarts. Before dilution, the shelf life is 2 years, and once dissolved, the C. diff spore claim is valid for 6 days. Klorese has better efficacy against a wider range of organisms and is more cost-effective. Klorese packaging is minimized and recyclable. Klorese simplifies the disinfection process. No dispensing equipment to maintain. Klorese is simple and virtually touchless. Providing a safe environment for your employees and those you serve is essential. Klorese has a very low hazardous materials rating when compared to other cleaners and disinfectants. Anything ready-to-use cleaners, sanitizers, or disinfectants can do, Klorese can do better. Do more, do better, do it for less.